ganje mwanyita Mushumbusa Dennis kandi nenda kusima mu kama abo bwiro ubu kubasa kutisya ayizyoba no kubasa kuba ntuwedinga amana n'umucyara wanje byoberi ebiro mukaga byo kwa munana 2022 zinageni mwita Chokunda Silvia so go muri jiga wanje go ngamushanga katwiyo mu bujinyi ena mukundire icyageze kunshebeza kuna mukire hihi nawe yambuka hiso kuna mkwasire muna na feeling aje so yambuka hi aza kandi na nekindi nkaraka ine mico mirungi kugira ngo ububwire buce ubuna spendingiraho nawe nkareba ngururi narasa kuba umukunda kandi no muntarkam atakukira ku gambisebwa so really no mukazi pardon me if I stop and ask you why icyo kitugiremo mukama abase kubona atuyamba kundana kurangu ruri urugendo urutwatandika base kuba urugendo rurungi Señorita, could it be someone like you could love someone like me? So he walked up to her, tipped his hat, and introduced himself. And she looked up at him and didn't know what to say. So he told her the story of his family, the trouble that brought the barbed wire, and of all the things that he couldn't change. And then he told her that he loved her, and he studied her reaction. By the time the spring rains came, they were married. Now there's an old song that my family used to sing about a young cowboy and a Mexican girl and how they fell in love. Señorita, passing by,